based on Slowpoke. It's written by Chilton Price, 1951, made famous by Pee Wee King and others. I do it in the key of G. For the first part of this song, it is just a two-string song, which means I'm playing one string in the bass and one string for the melody. The three chords in this first part are a G, an A minor seventh, and a D seventh. The bass for these chords are G, D, G, D, A, D, A, D. The melody that goes with those basses is notes that go with the G are open second string B, and then the D, and then the E, and then the G, and then the B, and then the F sharp, and then the E, and then the D, and then the open B, and then to the C and D. So altogether, the melody and the bass, only two strings at a time, is as you can see for the A minor seventh chord, and then you just hit a single D and A note. The bass for these next four measures are an A, D, G, D, all open strings, and then back to the G. These measures, you're really just playing an A minor seventh, a D seventh, A minor seventh, and a D seventh. So when you're hitting the A, it's the A minor seventh, the D is the D seventh, the G is the A minor seventh, and the D is the D seventh, and then back down to the G. And the melody that goes with this A, D section are, starting at C, it's C, C, D, D, E, E, F sharp, C, F sharp, E, D, and then back to the G chord, playing the B and the D on the second string. So together with the A and D bass. This part of the song, I switch over to a alternating bass, and I play often more than a single string for the melody. I start off with a G and a G ninth. For the G, I'm playing the G in the bass. For the melody, I'm playing the G also, either two or three strings here, and then I'm putting my pinky on the A for the G ninth, and I'm alternating the bass with the G and the D. Looks like this. This is a C major seventh. which is just a C chord without putting this top B on, so you have the open B here. So I strum this A7th chord, and then I do the run. When I play the C major 7th chord, I do this little run. And what that is, it's a C, E, G, C, and then it's a G, E, D, B, and then I move up to the A7. And then you move up to the 5th fret and make an A7th. When I move up to the A7th, I use alternating picking on 6 and 4 for the thumb, and the melody is, and then D, barred. So it looks like this. And from the D chord, you don't play the first string, you just play the 4 middle strings. So you play 5, 4, 3, and 2. And then you move that down to the D flat, and you move that down to the C, and you move that back down to the B. After the D run down to the B, I hit these 4 melody notes. D, C, A, D. So all that in context from the finger picking part. C major 7th, A 7th, and then it goes back to the beginning. And it can end with an A minor 7th. You play the A minor 7th, not the first string, and then you put your pinky down on the D here. And then you play this long D, which is just a D chord, but you're moving this F sharp up here to an A on the first string. And you hit the first string and second string, and then back to G. So the ending looks like this. After this end run, it does not have to end. You can just start it back over at the beginning and repeat.